For today's assignment, we're going to be using Premiere to open up Audition and edit some audio that way. We've done this in previous assignments with combining After Effects and Premiere. So since you'll be using audio for this assignment, I want to show you how to edit audio in case you get some audio that's not so good. So I have recorded myself in this case, and the clip, as you can hear, has a lot of reverb.
Reverb.
Reverb is like the echoey effect that you get in this case, because that hallway is kind of big and the sound can bounce around a lot. So I want to try to fix that. So I'm going to start where I'm standing right here. Press I right there. You can also use the mark in spot. And I'm going to hit O, which is mark out, to just select that part. And I'm going to drag that down here to make a sequence with that. And as you can see, the audio is really quiet, and we know there's a lot of reverb. So if you get audio that's not so great, how can you fix that? I need to right click, and I'm going to go to Edit Clip and Adobe Audition. So this is going to automatically open it up in Adobe Audition. And what is really nice about this is whatever changes we make in Adobe Audition, it's automatically going to go back and make those changes in Premiere when we're done, whenever we save actually. So I'm going to highlight everything first, and I'm going to go to Favorites, and there's an option called De-Reverb. Let's see how that sounds.
Reverb.
Okay, that's a little bit better. You can tell already that it's not as echoey and reverby as it was. I'm going to go back and do what we did before for vocal enhancement. Again, let me slow down and do that again. Effects, Special, Vocal Enhancer is going to apply that effect to my vocals. I'm going to go low tone for a lower speaker voice, high tone for a higher voice. And so it works on that a little bit, and then I'm going to make it louder.
Reverb.
Okay, so that sounds a little bit better. I mean, aside from the fact that I'm just saying reverb in a kind of weird way, it sounds okay. And now I'm going to work on the noise a little bit, because you can see when I'm not talking, ideally you want complete silence. You're generally not going to have complete silence, but if you've got some noisy audio, and by noisy audio, that means there needs to be kind of a constant kind of noise in the background. It's not going to work if it's just kind of random noise. But you can go here to Favorites. It may not be in Favorites, I take that back. Go to Effects and Noise Reduction. And there's a bunch of different options here. We're just going to use the easiest one, which is denoise. And you can play around with the choices here. We're just going to go with the standard, apply that, and you notice that now that noise is not there. So how does that sound?
Reverb.
Okay, so it sounds better. Again, I'm saying reverb really weird, and the more times I hear it, the less I like it. You can go in and edit your audio a bunch of different ways, but those are some of the basic ways that you can try to clean up your audio. The main thing is when you're done with your editing, I want you to save. And now you can see back in Premiere, it is already finished that. So the clip that you turn in only needs to be less than 3 seconds. Just have me saying reverb twice, edit the audio so that it sounds better.
Reverb.
And then you're going to export, turn that in for your grade today.